Meaning of draught.
Draft.
Draught.
Draft.
Draft. Draft has multiple meanings depending on the context, but in general, it refers to a current of air or a drink poured from a cask or keg. In terms of air, draft can be a desirable breeze or an unwelcome gust that causes discomfort or illness. As a drink, draft typically refers to beer or ale, poured directly from a tap or spigot. In both cases, draft involves the flow of a substance, whether it be air or liquid, which can have positive or negative effects depending on the circumstance.